Welcome back. Here we go again. Here we are. I'm in a 2014 F550. It's another utility truck. Today is a truck days. And this one has a turbo diesel. So another turbo diesel trucks. I don't know what I'm doing with all these trucks. Just taking out, driving, enjoying it, have a good time, playing with it, and just enjoy the drive, having some fun. Fun that you try different cars, different trucks, different point of view, you know. It's just enjoyable. Suspension test. Oh boy. That's good. I don't hear any noise. Did you hear any noise? I don't. Oh, the road really bad, guy. I'm having too much fun over here. Well, you can see it's utility trucks in the rearview mirror, so I don't have to solve it. It's just another utility truck, turbo diesel. Enjoy driving. Dun, dun, dun. For sure, these are the workhorse. Too much fun. Let's go back. Well, if you have any comment, just leave it. Because all I have to do is trucks and trucks after another trucks, and just different point of view. I enjoy. Alright, so I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you for coming. This one is just a simple one, and yeah, thank you for coming. I'll catch you guys later. Thank you very much. See you.